Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to resize images on your iPhone in a few easy steps. First, launch the Photos app. Find the picture you want to resize image by scrolling through your albums or using the search bar. Next, tap the Edit button in the bottom right corner. After, tap on Crop icon in the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the Resize tool. Locate the first icon in the top right corner of the screen. Now, at the bottom, you have the option to select the aspect ratio. Then you'll see all the available options: Freeform, Square, Wallpaper, and aspect ratios such as 9:16, 4:5, 5:7, 3:4, 3:5, and 2:3. Freeform lets you resize the image freely with no limits. Square 1:1 is great for Instagram posts, fitting perfectly in grids and feeds. Wallpaper adjusts the image for phone or desktop backgrounds without cropping important parts. The aspect ratio section includes 9:16 for stories, reels, and TikTok, 4:5 for Instagram portraits, 5:7 for photo prints, 3:4 for tall portraits, 3:5 for prints, and 2:3 for DSLR photos. Once everything looks good, tap Done at the top right corner. Your picture is now saved with the new orientation. And that's it. For additional options like flip-flop option and edit rotate option, don't forget to watch the separate video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more helpful tips.